Okay, in this tutorial we're going to actually use these variables now. So we've initialized them, so when the game actually starts we set our speed variable to 4 and we set our score variable to 0. Now we're obviously going to add these into the ball, and we're going to add them into this code here. First of all, I'm going to give you the pseudo code for this. So it's very much adding to what we already have here. And if we just look at this, you'll be able to see, if I just zoom in a little bit here, what changes is instead of having here move a number of steps, we actually put in the variable. We also put in the variable here, and notice we have two change variables here within this if statement, because what we want to happen is this to happen if the ball is touching the bat. We want to change the score and we want to change the speed. Okay, so try pausing this video now and adding those into your program. If you're a bit confused, just continue watching and we'll talk about a solution. Okay, so I'm going to go into Scratch, and if we go into our ball sprite, so we'll just click back. So we need to have two speed variables, and we need to change them as well. So it's 4 blocks we're looking for. So we're going to get 2 speeds, drag them over. And we also want to change, and we need 2 of those. Now we're going to change the score. Now you can change the score by whatever you want. I'm going to give it 10 points every time the ball hits the bat, and we want to change not the score but the speed by 1 each time, so it goes up by 1 amount of speed. If you like, you can pause the video now and see if you can pop those into this code where you think they might go. If not, continue watching the video and we'll talk about the solution for this. Okay, so many of you probably have done this. You've just picked up and dropped the speed into there instead of the 10, and then we also drop it in here instead of the 5. And then what we want to do is we want to, if the ball is touching the bat, we want to drop these changes into and within this if statement here. So I'm going to drop that one in under there, and I'm also going to change the speed there, because don't forget this one down here, this else statement, is if it's touching the floor, we just want it to end the game. So everything happens here when the ball is touching the bat. Okay, so if I press run now to test the game, you can see that my speed is increasing with the score. So I'm going along, I'm getting 10 points, and the speed is getting really quite quick now. I'm making it a little bit more difficult. I've got to anticipate a little bit more. Oh, and then I've lost. I've got 80 points. Okay, so have a go at adding in now your variables into your program.